InVideo do-it-yourself video creation platform. About InVideo. InVideo is a do-it-yourself video creation platform that enables you to turn your ideas into videos in real time with 4,000 plus custom templates, 1 million plus royalty-free images, and videos clips. Another good feature of this app is that you can find over 3,000 pre-made templates to use for your content and then customize them. What are the features of InVideo? You can make high-quality videos with the help of this software. The more you go deep into the features, the more dazzled you will feel by all its benefits, like making unlimited video content in a short amount of time and cool animations that give tutorials on how to use it. First, article to video. Our software can take your written article and generate an engaging video for Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media. Visit InVideo.io now to create amazing videos out of your content. Second, URL to video. InVideo can create a unique video from just your article's URL. If you don't want to write an article, just provide the URL link and get great video content. Third, pre-made templates. Another good feature of this app is that you can find over 3,000 pre-made templates to use for your content and then customize them. Pricing: first free plan $0 per month. Second business plan $10 per month. Third unlimited plan $20 per month. Pros: first, low cost for production quality. Second, lots of features to choose from. Cons: in some cases not able to produce the desired video with low production costs. In other words, it's a gamble. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools.